Welcome to my channel. How do I change the Wi-Fi password on the Netgear router? Launch a web browser from a computer or mobile device that is connected to your router's network. Popular web browsers include Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, and Microsoft Internet Explorer or Edge. Type http://www.routerlogin.net or http://www.routerlogin.com into your web browser's address bar. In the router login window, enter your username and password. Note, the username is admin and the default password is password. Entries are case sensitive. If you forgot your password, see How do I recover my Netgear admin password using the password recovery feature. Click OK or Login. You will be directed to the screen below. To access your Wi-Fi SSID and passphrase, you can click on either the Wireless tab or Wireless button highlighted below. You will then be directed to the Wireless Setup display. In this display you will be able to set up or change the name, SSID, and passphrase to the wireless network, 2.4 GHz B/G/N, and the wireless network, 5 GHz A/N/AC. Once you have entered the information, you will need to click Apply located in the top/middle portion over the screen. Refer to the image below. Once you click Apply, a loading screen will appear to indicate the changes are being applied. Refer to the image below. Once the changes have been applied, you will be directed back to the Wireless Setup display. From here you can now log out. You are now able to use the SSID and passphrase to access your Wi-Fi network. If you made these changes over your Wi-Fi network, you will be kicked off of the Wi-Fi, and you will need to log back onto it.